Hi everyone, welcome to the next video from this page from Small Victories by Johanna Basford. It's very bitty, just going at a brush, and then we'll come in close and have a look at today's picture. We are using Polychromos pencils and we have a little butterfly with some florals. Right, so where should we start? I think we'll start on the butterfly itself. Now, I generally do butterflies with a grey body. I'm just thinking, I think I will do that now as well. I'm just going to grab a grey. Let us use this one, the Cold Grey 3. I can't read it myself. I think I'll do the main bit here. Now, I'm going to do it darker around the edge and a bit lighter as we go in. Like that, and then this one I'm going to make lighter towards the middle. Got this little stripy look. I'm going to do a different shade of grey for the rest. Why not? Let's give him his little stripes. This is the Cold Grey 5. I'm going to do a similar thing like this. It feels warm today. I think we've got a couple of warm days and then it's going to go off cooler again and wetter. But I've been out already this morning and I'm pleased that I've been out and I don't have to go out again because, my goodness, it's quite warm. Now, what colour? Now, we did an orange butterfly earlier in the series, so we're not going to use orange again. I'm going to pick a different colour. I think I'm going to do red. Now, I look up butterflies sometimes just to get inspiration, you know, pictures on the search engine, and you do see red ones. So we're going to use a deep red, and I always get a little bit confused by photos because I'm never sure if they've been photoshopped or drawn by AI. You know, it's best if you want realistic colours to go to a website of a company that have an interest in butterflies. I can't think if there's one that comes to mind, but one that you can trust that would have proper photos of proper butterflies, if that makes any sense. So for example, not for butterflies, but if I wanted birds, you could go to the RSPB, which is the Royal Society for Protection Birds, something, birds, bees for birds. Anyway, so they're an official sort of charity that looks after British birds. So then you know any photos that you see on there, they're going to be real, you know. So you can sort of trust the photos. Another place, any sort of countryside type place. She's good, isn't she? Right, I want a paler red for the tips. So I'm going to go for the pale geranium lake, I think. I have grabbed the light cadmium red. What's this one? Maybe we'll just use this one. This is the scarlet red. I can use this. It might not be significantly different. We'll have a go and see. I'm just going to apply it with a lighter touch as well. I don't know why I didn't do this section first, but being a bit random. Yeah, so that went out not as early as I'd liked, but actually my son had a routine blood test. I went with him down to the surgery, and he was a bit scared, doesn't like needles. He's okay, but they hurt. So that's what he didn't like. And actually she had real trouble finding a vein. She was poking it around in his arm. Poor boy. He said, I could feel it moving under the skin. That was weird feeling. It felt like it was moving. I said it was, because I told him not to look, and so did she. We're going to use the black on these sections that I've left. And I said I was watching, and she was poked it in and pulled it out and poked it in and pulled it out about 3 times. Poor lad. But anyway, he's all right. I think he's probably going to have a big bruise. But anyway, he had a chocolate milkshake afterwards, so I think he'll be fine. He was really thirsty. I think that's probably why. Apparently if you're dehydrated, they find it harder to find a vein, so I learned at some point, I can't remember when. So I'm gonna, oh, here's the white Posca. I've actually been gifted some new white pens, and the person who sent them said they find them much better than Poscas or Jelly Rolls. So I'm going to play with them a bit, but I'm just continuing to use the Posca for this one because it's what I happen to have next to me, but also seems to make sense to continue with the same pen, and it is working quite well on this particular page with these particular pencils. Now we've got 4 flowers. Now we could do them all the same, could do them differently. I'm just having a little think. They're all drawn in the same way. What I think I'd like to do is do all the leaves the same, all the flower centres the same, but the actual colours of the flowers maybe vary them. Might make it a bit more interesting without making it overly complicated. So I'm going to grab the light chrome yellow, which I'm going to sharpen, and I use that for the centres because it's quite a mid yellow. It looks orangey in camera to me on my screen. It might not look like that on your screen, but it isn't. It's just a nice mid yellow. And then I'm just going to sort of pick 4. I'm going to say random, but they won't be. 4 colours. I'm going to start with the pink, the light purple pink. I'm not going to put it there because I'm not sure how well it goes with red. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do it quite lightly and have a think about how I want it to look. But that's messy. I'm just going to sharpen it. I don't want it to look messy. Right, perhaps it's be a bit darker around the centre, and then fade it towards the edge a little bit maybe. Like that. Now sometimes on these ones I will draw lines to represent all the little petals, but it's a bit too small for that, I think. Well, I think I'll just leave it like that. I'm happy. Now I want to go with the purpley one. Should I go? Let's go manganese violet for this one, and start in the middle, a bit darker, and then fade out towards the edge. Yeah, my other son's got an exam today. My husband had to leave early. It was all a bit manic this morning. The husband was supposed to leave at 7. He made it out by 20 past 7. I'm sure he got to work on time. He had a meeting at 9. This one, I'm going to do this one in a blue. I'm just trying to decide. I think I'll just go for a sort of mid blue. I think this middle phthalo blue will probably work. And then my son had his exam. He got the slightly later train because he didn't need to be there till 10. So he left about 20 to 8. And then me and my other son, we left about 9. So we were quite a lot later than the others. But I was doing a few jobs. Actually, I can tell you what I was doing. What I've been doing is, you may know because I'll put it in my announcements on my channel. I'm going to do this one orange. This is the dark cadmium orange. I've been making a few new playlists to make it a little bit easier to find my videos. So I made one for butterflies, so this one will be in it, where the main part of the video is a butterfly. Obviously this one's got flowers as well, but because I did the butterfly first, then it should hopefully, you could just watch the bit with the butterfly and then stop the video if you didn't want to see the rest. So all the videos have mainly got, the main part of the picture is a butterfly. And then someone asked me to do one for flowers. That was over 500 videos featuring mainly just flowers, because it'd be like this one, for example, would fall into that category. I'm just thinking of the colour for the leaves. I think I'm going to do 2 colours. Let's do something a bit different. I haven't used this colour. on this page. This is the olive green yellowish. It's a little bit brownish. I think it might work. So I'm going to use this for the bottom and sort of fade it up like that, and then we'll use another colour after. So yeah, I did one for butterflies, and then someone asked me for one for flowers, which I just finished. That one took ages, as I say, there were 500. I had to go into every one of those 500 videos and add it to the playlist that I'd made up. Then I did one for, someone asked for one for bottles. I ended up making it sort of bottles, jars and glass. So some of them were like snow globes or puddings with glass sort of containers. I don't know what to call them, bowls, that sort of thing. So there were some of those, so you could learn how to do glass. So I've actually got a big old list I'm working through. Some I got asked for a few different things, so those are going to be done first, and then anything that I think of I'll do it as well, and hopefully it will just make it a little bit easier. This is May Green, because sometimes the video name and description doesn't always have in it what's in the video, and I could have gone through them all and changed that, which I might do anyway, but also I thought if they're all in a playlist together, it makes it even easier for you to find them. So that's what I've been doing lately, just because I've got a little bit more time on my hands at the minute, although saying that I've got a big pile of washing that needs ironing and another big pile that needs washing. But hey, who wants to be doing that when they can be doing this? Now this last floral here has got these two little dots. I'm thinking they are maybe a berry or something, and so I'm going to go for a caput mortuum violet. Just make so they stand out, because they're so teeny. If I did them too pale, you probably wouldn't see it. There we go. You could even put a little dot of white in each of those to make them look more shiny, but I think I'm quite happy just leaving it like that. Yeah, I want the butterfly to stand out with its white dots, so that is that one. Oh, I've missed this one, haven't I? Or if I didn't miss it, it needs another. There, no, I hadn't I? Too busy yapping. I would never do that. Not me. So that is that one done. They're quite quick, these little ones, which is rather nice, I think, sometimes just to have something a little quickie to do. I could put a little bit of shadow in a few places. Yeah, let's just do that because it is so short. So let's grab our dark sepia, and I'm going to put it, I want some between this flower and the butterfly wing, and between all the flowers and the leaves. And between those leaves, look, just a little bit, not too much. And there, I don't know, it's made a little bit of difference, but I'm going to go really quickly because I'm about to sneeze. So thank you so much for watching. Have a super day and happy colouring.